if you need to add affiliate links or any other type of link to your posts on Rednote, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it as well as make it clickable. So let's dive in. All right, so we want to make a post and we want to add a link to our post. So let's go ahead, tap on the red plus icon on the bottom of the page. We're going to go ahead and choose some media to actually put into our post. So let's go ahead and find something appropriate here. And I'm going to choose an image for a sample. I'm going to click on next. And here at the bottom, you can see that there are a bunch of options. Now, if you add text here, it will not be a clickable text box, okay? You'll just have the actual text there. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to tap on next. And right from here, you'll see that there is an add a title and add text. Now, I've copied a link over here. I'm just going to paste it in. There it is. You can also add a title. So let's go ahead and add a title over here. So let's just say best cakes in town. Okay, there we go. All right, now you can click on post. Now, when you click on post, this will actually be a clickable link and you'll be able to tap on it. It'll direct you to wherever that link is directing. It's that easy.